Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Currently, I'm at the blood bank. I just donated. There's my arm. I didn't really feel good about filming in while I was actually giving the blood, so I'm doing it out in the lot. It's pretty cool. They gave me a t-shirt, some snacks, and there's a food truck. So, there you go. Give blood. Save lives. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a spectacular day. We're going to go ahead and open up a couple boxes of half-dollar coins, try and find some silver, and show you what we find along the way. We got Marco here.
Hello again, everyone.
And we got Charlie in the other room.
Hello.
Hey, there he is.
Special guest appearance.
Yes, and a special shout out to the person watching this video right now. You. Thank you for watching. You are incredible, and you make this channel awesome. Ready? Let's go! Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. Let's open up this box of half-dollar coins, try and find some silver. Show you what we find along the way. We got Marco here.
Hello again.
Box has seen better days, but...
I don't care about the box.
Right.
I care about what's inside.
Yeah.
What are you about?
I'm just looking. I don't know.
Fair enough.
Just looks eclectic. Okay, but if we find anything, you will be the first to know, folks. Stick around. Okay, guys, Marcus found something here. It looks really good. Let's take a look at both ends.
Let's hope it's not painted.
There it is. Look at this. We get a tighter shot here. There it is. Here we go. Now, it looks like it could be a 90%, but... And it is a 64.
Boom.
Hooray for Mark.
Well, since you're over there and you're...
You got something else?
Phrases.
Hooray for Mark. Hooray at last.
Hooray.
Think you got another one?
I think I got another one here.
Alright.
You see what I see there, Daniel-san?
Ooh, that was loud.
Make some more noise in the middle of the night.
See what he's got here.
Something there.
Yeah, I think he's got another one here. That's 2 rolls in a row he's opened.
Yes, sir.
Tonight is your night, Marco. 67.
Boom.
Okay, we'll be back. Okay, guys, I think you're in for a dose of double trouble here.
Whatsoever do you mean?
Well, I had a roll and Mark had a roll simultaneously. Let's see your thoughts. This one was Mark's on the right. This one was mine on the left. We'll go with mine first just because we'll go left or right. It's a borderline good box. That's not it. Where is it? Here it is. 68. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the third silver, and we have all these to go. So yeah, dare I say?
And I've got about 4 or 5 rolls over
Yeah.
here too, at my station.
Let's check the rest here. Nope. Let's check Marco's here.
I'm
Oops.
not quite sure what I'm looking at. That has like a grayish tint to it. I don't know. It has possibilities.
Right there, guys.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at, but who knows?
67.
Alright, good.
Yes, we have encountered a good box. That's 4. Check the rest of the roll here for you. Guys, Mark is on a roll here. Literally.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He's got a roll. Here's an end.
Roll.
Now, he calls this a peeker, and you'll see why. The roll is basically still intact. He likes to open methodically.
That's what I do.
And look, we've got a peeker. There's the peeker. Can you see it? Look close. Nothing yet? How about now? Oh, a little bit more we reveal. What is it? Let's find out together, shall we? It's a Kennedy. And 65. Well done. Check the rest here. Okay, we'll be back.
We're rolling, baby.
Yuppers. Guys, Mark found another one, but it opened a little too much for him. So it's not actually in the roll, but it was a 67. I have a roll here that I have cracked together like a couple of bongos with another roll. And as you can see right there, I think I might have one here. $68. Marco, you're kidding. You got one?
I think I'm on a roll here.
All right.
We're making some money now, boys.
Let's see here. Let me check the rest of this. Here, dump those or give them a quick check.
You tell me what you think about that.
Now again, this is how Mark I don't know what happened to that last roll you did.
Yeah, I don't know.
Here's how, like I said, this is how he does it. He opens them very slowly. And look, you can see something right there. And 68.
I like it.
The 40s are flowing.
Alright, that's good. That's a good thing. Take 40% all day, baby.
Okay, we'll be back.
No, wait.
Oh.
Stop. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna say that this is one too.
All right, let's see. Trade.
I might be wrong. I'm looking like on the very, very right, maybe second or third from the end on the right.
Here's his roll as he's talking. Oh. Mark, I think you got the Midas touch, but Midas was usually gold, but
I don't know who the silver guy is.
yeah, look at,
I think that is one.
yeah, right on the right there.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we should do the rest of the rolls on camera. It looks silver. It's a tail. 67.
Oh. Oh.
Boy, oh boy. What do you think, guys? Let us know in the comments. Pretty good box, huh? We got 2, 4, 6, 8 rolls to go. Stand by. We'll be back. Well, shoot, folks. That was just a pretty darn good box. I mean, we're sitting here looking. I'm like, wow, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 silvers in that box, including a 64, which is a 90%er, a 65, 40%er, no 66s, but 2 67s, 4 68s, and 5 68s. So, yeah, very cool. Thanks for joining us. I don't know, this might be included in like a hodgepodge highlight video. So let's get to another box, and thanks for joining us. Mark?
Thanks very much, and I'm glad that we found something.
All right, bye guys.